What do you want to do today, Hazel? Well, this is kind of really random, but it might be kind of fun to have a paper airplane race. Oh yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm finally done. How about you? Same. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1, and go! That was so much fun. Let's do it again. And go! Ah! Whoops, sorry, Carter. Yeah, sorry. We're having a paper airplane race. Oh, those are the best. I love paper airplane races. Then you should do it with us, Carter. Really? Thanks. I'm actually thinking I will take you up on that offer. This is going to be so awesome.